Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can duplicate an object or element on your canvas on Inkscape. So let us get started. So guys, navigate to your project here on Inkscape or your document. Add a couple of elements. Let me add a rectangle by using the rectangle tool here. And now I would like to, let's say, duplicate that exact element with the same formatting, with the same color settings, resolution, and so on and so forth. So what you want to do is right click into it, and from that menu select duplicate or use the shortcut Ctrl D, and you will see the duplicated object put directly on top of the first object. So you will see that the color here is darker like this because because they're overlapping each other, that's why. So if you move it here to the left, you will see that the color is actually the same as here. So just because of the overlapping effect. So that's how you duplicate objects on Inkscape. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.